Okay, I'm gonna be trying out this two-step protein treatment. Let's hope this works because I got a little bit of heat damage at the ends of my hair. I think I'm gonna detangle first and come back. For some reason my hair was freaking super dry, so I had to detangle it first. So now I'm gonna start putting this protein stuff in there. It says shake well. So I put it in this spray bottle. Hopefully that'll make it easier. Let me wrap this around. Let's see. Yeah, because my hair pretty much has heat damage at the bottom on my ends. Let's see. See? Look at that. I end up getting this heat damage when I change my flat irons, and I guess I turned the heat up too high because it's not from the bleach. I know it's not from the bleach because when I wasn't flat ironing my hair and I bleached it, I had no problems. So it's the flat irons. Just take the brush and spray it on. Definitely on the end. Hopefully it'll help them. Ooh, it stinks. Brush this in. I'm gonna give extra love to the ends because I need that to curl back up for me. Look at that. Okay, this is what it looks like so far. Look how bad this looks. Look how straight that is. Ugh. Alright, I rinsed it all out. This is how it looks without the conditioner. It still looks super straight. I'm gonna put in this conditioner now. It says leave in for I can't find it. Oh, 2 minutes. I might leave it in longer. Oh, it's so dark, but this is how my hair turned out. It definitely did not curl these pieces back, so I guess it only works as a strengthener because my hair, let's see if I can get some better lighting. So dark. Get better lighting. See? Still straighter than straight. But maybe if I try to use it a couple of times. Girl, you hurt my cat. Who you growling at? But maybe if I use it a couple times, like in another 6 weeks or so, we'll see some progress, hopefully. But if not, I don't think I'm cutting I don't think I'm going to be cutting these ends. I'll probably find some way to curl it because, oh, I already did that before. Say bye, Rexy. Say bye-bye. Come here. Say bye-bye. Rexy says bye, guys. Subscribe. Hey, guys. I wanted to get on here while I'm in the car so that you can see in better lighting because I don't know if you can see in my house. But, yeah, the Aphogee protein treatment, it did not bring my curls back. I know I've seen a lot of videos where it says bring your curls back, and they say they use this protein treatment. What is that? They say they use this protein treatment to bring their curls back, but maybe it's going to take more than one treatment. So I guess I'm going to be starting a small journey of getting my curls back because I am not. I know it's small, but I don't want to cut it. I don't want to cut it. It's going to be uneven, and I wear my hair straight sometimes. But while I'm trying to get my curls back, I don't think I'm going to straighten it. But look at that. Oh my gosh. This is perm straight almost. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to see how it goes because the first go round did not bring my curls back at all. But if you guys want to follow my journey, I'm not going to do another treatment until about 6 weeks from now. I think that's how long I have to wait. But if you want to follow my journey, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. And I'll be back with more videos. Bye.